Hello friends, are you facing Facebook something went wrong problem? Facebook not opening? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Facebook app, tap and hold, tap on I button, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, okay to confirm, go back to previous page and make sure your all permission is allowed. Then go to Play Store and search here Facebook. Update your Facebook app. If it's available for updates, then open your Facebook app and scroll down and see your problem solved successfully. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.